Hello and welcome to this video about 100 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2023. As we enter the new year, many of us are thinking about new ways to express ourselves, build a community, or even start a business on YouTube. However, not everyone feels comfortable showing their face on camera, and that's completely okay. There are countless successful YouTube channels out there that don't rely on the creator's appearance, and today, we'll be exploring 100 of them. Whether you're interested in gaming, cooking, comedy, or something completely different, we've got you covered with a wide range of ideas that don't require you to be on camera. So if you've been hesitant to start a YouTube channel because of your appearance, or simply prefer to stay behind the scenes, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Number 1, DIY and home improvement tutorials. Number 2, recipe and cooking channels. Number 3, travel vlogs and destination guides. Number 4, gaming and esports channels. Number 5, beauty and makeup tutorials. Number 6, comedy sketches and parodies. Number 7, fitness and workout channels. Number 8, motivational and self-help channels. Number 9, science and technology channels. Number 10, movie and TV show reviews and discussions. Number 11, music covers and performances. Number 12, photography and videography tutorials. Number 13, art and drawing tutorials. Number 14, health and wellness channels. Number 15, product review channels. Number 16, social media and marketing advice channels. Number 17, news and current events channels. Number 18, language learning and teaching channels. Number 19, personal finance and investment channels. Number 20, celebrity gossip and entertainment news channels. Number 21, book and literature review channels. Number 22, sports highlights and analysis channels. Number 23, historical documentaries and educational channels. Number 24, gaming walkthroughs and playthroughs. Number 25, spiritual and religious channels. Number 26, fashion and style channels. Number 27, travel and adventure channels. Number 28, nature and wildlife channels. Number 29, podcasts and talk shows. Number 30, toy and game review channels. Number 31, car and automobile channels. Number 32, motorcycle and bike review channels. Number 33, reaction videos and commentary. Number 34, relationship and dating advice channels. Number 35, career advice and job search channels. Number 36, educational channels for kids. Number 37, technology gadget reviews and demos. Number 38, beauty and fashion hauls and unboxings. Number 39, food challenges and eating contests. Number 40, memes and internet culture channels. Number 41, social commentary and cultural criticism channels. Number 42, animation and cartoon channels. Number 43, cooking challenges and competitions. Number 44, DIY and crafting tutorials for kids. Number 45, conspiracy theories and mysteries. Number 46, top 10 lists and countdowns. Number 47, personal vlogs and daily routines. Number 48, ASMR channels. Number 49, horror and true crime channels. Number 50, life hacks and everyday tips. Number 51, home organization and decluttering. Number 52, interior design and decor inspiration. Number 53, business and entrepreneurship channels. Number 54, comedy and prank channels. Number 55, gardening and plant care channels. Number 56, virtual reality and augmented reality channels. Number 57, anime and manga reviews and discussions. Number 58, music production and recording tutorials. Number 59, meditation and mindfulness channels. Number 60, pet care and training channels. Number 61, beauty and fashion transformation videos. Number 62, health and fitness challenges. Number 63, makeup and beauty product testing. Number 64, food and recipe challenges. Number 65, art and drawing challenges. Number 66, reaction and commentary videos to trending topics. Number 67, true stories and personal experiences. Number 68, virtual travel experiences and tours. Number 69, financial literacy and personal finance for beginners. Number 70, do-it-yourself home decor and furniture. Number 71, beauty and fashion transformation challenges. Number 72, personal wellness challenges. Number 73, fast and easy cooking and baking tutorials. Number 74, foreign language immersion and learning. Number 75, music theory and music history lessons. Number 76, travel and lifestyle inspiration. Number 77, social media growth and monetization. Number 78, personal development and self-discovery. Number 79, travel guides and recommendations. Number 80, educational content for children. Number 81, outdoor and wilderness survival skills. Number 82, product reviews and comparisons. Number 83, fitness and workout challenges. Number 84, online gaming and live streaming. Number 85, food and travel vlogs. Number 86, minimalism and simplifying lifestyle. Number 87, parenting and family advice. Number 88, learn a new skill. Number 89, movie and TV show reviews and discussions. Number 90, time-lapse and nature photography. Number 91, home renovation and remodeling tutorials. Number 92, book reviews and discussions. Number 93, sustainable living and eco-friendly lifestyle. Number 94, history and culture documentaries. Number 95, virtual art exhibitions and museum tours. Number 96, human interest stories and interviews. Number 97, paranormal investigations and ghost hunting. Number 98, special effects and makeup tutorials. Number 99, personal finance and investing advice. Number 100, personal and professional development. That's a wrap on our video about 100 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2023. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and helpful, whether you're a new creator just starting out or a seasoned YouTuber looking to switch things up. Remember, you don't need to show your face on camera to make great content and build a thriving community. With the right idea and approach, you can create a successful channel that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your goals. We'd love to hear which of these ideas you found most interesting, or if you have any other faceless channel ideas you'd like to share. Be sure to let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.